everyone. Point of Sale WhatsApp integration app helps the user to send and order details to the customer WhatsApp. User can enable WhatsApp from the Point of Sale configuration. So for that, let me get into the settings. Under settings, you can see a Point of Sale. So user can tick on the enable WhatsApp checkbox for send order details to the customer WhatsApp. So once this is done, we can configure a Point of Sale signature on the user in preferences. So for that, we need to get into here, and you can see a preferences right away here. So user can change or update Point of Sale signature on the preferences. So once we have updated the signature, we can get into the Point of Sale, and let's open a new session, or else you can continue the before session. Okay, so now I'm going to choose a product, and I'm going to create a new customer right away here. So after creation of the customer, you can make a payment by using any one of the payment method. And in this page, you can see two options, like one is a send by WhatsApp and another one is a send by WhatsApp direct. So send by WhatsApp, by clicking on this button, will allow you to change anything in the message. Also, user can select more than one customers. And here you can see another option, that is send by WhatsApp direct. Clicking on this button will select a default format to selected customers only. Okay, at first let's work with an send by WhatsApp. So when I clicking on that, as this is a new customer, we need to set up a new mobile number for that. Otherwise, we can directly open a message wizard. Okay, so let me create a new mobile number, that is update a new mobile number for this new user. Okay, you can see a mobile number is updated. Yeah, now let's click on the send by WhatsApp again. User can change anything in this WhatsApp message from this wizard. Okay, so from here you can see a cancel option is also available, and also if anything is updated, you can just click on the send option to send a message. So before that, at the time of editing purpose, if you need to add anything, a new text, you can just use a star, also underscore. Also you can use these symbols to make your text more understandable from the client perspective. So from here you can send by using this option. So it will automatically move to the WhatsApp page. So from here you can see the content will be added, like user can see a WhatsApp message with the Point of Sale signature. By just clicking on the enter, you can see the message will be sent to the particular person. Okay, let me get back to that Point of Sale, and then we can send by using and direct. So if the user clicking on that send by using direct button, then the send WhatsApp message to the default format for the selected customers only. So let me click on that. So from here, user can see a WhatsApp message direct from the Point of Sale signature. Okay, you can see a direct signature with the text, that is a content of that particular order. Let me send this one too. So like the same way, we have other options, like from that Point of Sale customer, we can directly send a message to the customer. Like you can see an order, that is an WhatsApp message will be here. So when we click on that, you can send an direct message from this page itself to the customers. Okay, and like the same way, we can update, that is add or update a WhatsApp number for the each customers in the Point of Sale. So for that, we need to get into the customer, and here you can see a details. Okay, so for if you need to update anything, you can just update and WhatsApp number right away here, or else you can create a new WhatsApp number right away here. So in this way, we can make use of this module to create, and you can send a WhatsApp message to the customers directly from the Point of Sale. Thank you for watching.